Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable the message notification of your D20 smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable the message notification of your D20 smartwatch. Alright guys, so all we just have to do is go to your Fit Pro app in here, and we just turn on all the categories here. And first is we have to connect our D20 smartwatch. So let's go to setting, and let's bind devices to experience. So okay, let's turn our Bluetooth on. Okay, it's already scanning, and we have here our LH719. That is our D20 smartwatch. Alright guys, as you can see, it's already connected. Okay, and all you have to do guys is for you to receive the notification from your smartphone to your smartwatch, all you just have to do is click this message push setting. Alright, and then you can enable the application that you like to be reminded whenever there's a message. So in our case, for example, like WhatsApp, you just turn it on, and then calls remind, SMS, WeChat, okay, and in any application that you like. Alright, and then after that you can already be notified whenever you have a message. That's just how easy it is guys to enable your message notification of your D20 smartwatch. Alright guys, so I hope this video helps you. Alright, and then if you have any questions guys, just kindly comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.